Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Hope all of you will be fine there. My name is Ms. Shagufta Ibrahim and I am your social studies teacher. Welcome to your new class 5. Now it's time to get back to our studies. Today we will go through our first chapter. The topic is understanding our world, the maps. Before going to the definition of maps, we will go through the definition of geography. Geography is the study of places and relationship between people and their environment. Basically, geography is the study of earth. Geo means earth and graphy means to study. So it is the study of earth. And there are three main types of geography: human geography, physical geography, and environmental geography. The topic is understanding our world. Now, we will do the definition of maps. A map is a drawing of geographical area, such as a city, a country, a continent on a piece of paper. So what is a map? Map is a geographical drawing of any region on a piece of paper. What is the importance of a map? Maps are very important for us because maps also help us to know the distances, that how far one place is away from another place, and we can also estimate the actual distances between two places. So maps are very important for us. They can show the earth's entire surface or just on a small part, and can show even a small locality in a great details. All the details are given on the maps, or we can easily get the information. क्योंकि आपने देखा होगा कि कितने छोटे छोटे पीस ऑफ पेपर पर इतने बड़े बड़े रीजन्स आसानी से दिए हुए होते हैं विद ऑल देयर basic informations. So for example, a street map will show you the roads, their names, and various locations along these roads. Now we will go through the types of the maps. There are many types of the maps, but we will go through the commonly used main types of the maps, which are physical maps, political maps, climatical maps, and road maps. Physical map illustrates the physical features of an area, such as mountains, lakes, and rivers. Physical features are basically or actually the natural features. Natural features which are naturally developed. For example, naturally developed, which are mountains, lakes, and rivers. Like this, look at this map. This is the physical map of Pakistan. This area shows, this brown color shows the mountain ranges of Pakistan. This green color shows the plains of Pakistan, and these blue line shows the river Indus and its tributaries. So physical features are shown or represented by different colors on the physical map. Another important type of political is political map. Political map indicates the territorial and national boundaries as well as capital and major cities. So if you want to get the information about different neighboring countries, which country is located on the western side of Pakistan, so we can go through the political map, or we can get the information of all the neighboring countries of Pakistan from political map. देखें ये political map से आप मालूम कर सकते हैं कि western side पे अफगानिस्तान is located and on eastern side India is located. Then if you read the map of Pakistan, what you can see that all the provinces are separated with each other by their national boundaries. For example, look at this province of Sindh. ये अब सिंध province is separated from Balochistan और ये इसकी national boundary है, जिसकी वजह से ये सिंध is separated from ये पंजाब से, and then Balochistan and KPK से. All the provinces are separated by their boundaries. Another important type is climatical map. Climatical map gives the general information about the climate. For example, this is the map, climatical map of Pakistan, and a key is formed here, and all the weather are shown, or the climate are shown with the colors on the map of Pakistan. For example, this dark blue color shows the severe cold climate. कि जैसे आप मालूम करना चाहते हैं कि नॉर्दर्न एरियाज ऑफ पाकिस्तान का क्लाइमेट क्या है. सो this blue color shows the this blue color shows the severe cold climate of northern areas. Then this light blue color shows the cool climate, and this light yellow color shows warm climate of the plains of Pakistan, and this dark yellow color shows the arid and hot climate. जो बहुत ज़्यादा hot और severely hot climate होता है, dry and hot, उसको arid climate कहते हैं, जो बलूचिस्तान और सिंध में. So climatical map gives us the information about climate of different regions. Another type of maps is road map, shows a major and some minor highways. They also indicate the important roads, railway tracks, and point of interest in an area. Look at this map. All the main highways and roads and a network of roads is shown on this. और जो भी कोई रोड पे या जिस भी लोकेशन में आपको जाना है तो यू कैन इजीली गो by taking these roads or the tracks, and you can easily reach to your destiny. So these are the main 4 types of the maps, which were political, physical, climatical, and road maps. So what we have done in this session, we have done the definition of geography. Okay, this is the study of earth. Then the definition of maps. Okay, what is a map? Is a drawing of a geographical area of a region. Then we have done the importance of Pakistan and types of maps. So what you have to do, you have to do your tasks, which is multiple choice question. This is your copy work, and all the MCQs or multiple choice questions you have to do in your copy. And after this video link is given to you. Watch the video carefully, and after watching the video carefully, you have to do the CRQs. CRQs stand for constructed response questions. These are the small questions which also you have to do in your copy, all these questions. And a sample of copy work is attached here. How you have to maintain your copy. First, on the first page, you have to develop an index. Index में आप आपका chapter का नाम पहले लिखेंगे, and then the topic which we are going to do, understanding our world, the maps, वो लिखेंगे index बनाने के बाद. Second page पर ये आप title page बनाएंगे chapter 1 लिख के, और इस तरह से या कोई भी एक पिक्चर बना दें या पॉलिटिकल या कोई भी मैप बना के एक टाइटल पेज बना लेंगे. देन द न्यू वर्ड्स मीन्स के एनी टाइप ऑफ डिफिकल्ट वर्ड विच यू फाइंड इन योर बुक. रीड द चैप्टर thoroughly, read the topic thoroughly from page 1 to 4, and if you find any difficult word, you have to write here as the new words and their meanings here. For example, geography, the meaning is given here, and the physical feature. So after doing the new words, you have to write the MCQs here, and then the questions at the end. So dear children, do your tasks carefully and read the topic thoroughly from your book. Hope all of you would have understood what I have tried to explain to you. And after this, I want to say you कि all the time be attentive when you are in Google Classroom and listen carefully whatever is explained to you and do your work. After reading the chapter thoroughly. So that's all for today. Stay blessed and healthy. Allah Hafiz.